We were invited by Amazon to go to Seattle, Washington to watch the movie premiere of Red 1. Usually if a brand invites you to go somewhere, they want you to make content in exchange for something, but this brand didn't do that. They just said, hey, we think you'd like this. So I called the theater to double check if it's legit. And the theater said, yes, there's a movie premiere today. So we're gonna go. I have no idea what a movie premiere is like. I really highly doubt it's a red carpet thing. I'm dressed as if I'm just going to a normal theater. And I'm gonna hope that I'm not severely underdressed and everyone's wearing red carpet and I'm dressed like a hobo. Let's take a second to appreciate the fact that there's an actual bug crawling on me right when I said I'm dressed like a hobo. We're taking a slight detour to the Seattle Premium Outlets because they have a Disney store, and the Disney store here sells parks merchandise. I know that's not a big deal to most of you, but when they had Disney stores in Canada, they'd never sold any Disneyland merchandise, so it's always super exciting for me. Remy looks like he's seen some things. Unfortunately, the Disney Store outlet did not have as great of a selection as they've had in the past, but I still managed to find these Ahsoka ears for only $10, which is really good considering the price. Regular price is $34.99. So that's a very good deal, and I'm super excited for this because I had plans for Kiwi to wear this. Season of the Force, he's gonna have a little outfit for that. This is a little preview of what it'll look like on Kiwi. That's why I got these ears. Isn't that cute? And yeah, don't look so shocked that Kiwi's here. He's everywhere, duh. On our way to Seattle. We made a quick little pit stop at the Seattle waterfront. There's a whole bunch of cute little shops and restaurants here. First one we're going into is Ye Olde Curiosity Shop. Pretty sure I remember this from when I was a little kid coming here, and it's really weird. Look! Okay, I remember this store being weird, but not quite this weird. Look at this. They have a real shark in a bottle for sale. I'm like, what the heck is this? This is creepy. It gets worse than the shark. Like, is this stuff real? Shrunken heads? Ew, let's go. Time for the next store. This is the line for the first ever Starbucks. But I, of course, didn't want to wait in that line, so I got Starbucks before I came here. I hacked the system, and now I get to walk past the crowd sipping my Starbucks. We're going to a store that I've always wanted to go to, the purple store. Apparently everything here is purple. So in Seattle, they have a beautifully disgusting public art project, the Seattle Gum Wall. Let's get a close-up, super close-up. Look at that big wad of gum right there. Oh, look at all the gum hanging over here. It's famous, it's beautiful, and it's gloriously disgusting. Let's go. These hearts look pretty cool from a distance, but if you get up close, it looks like some creep kept all their Baby Bell cheese wrappers and put them on display. Look, it's Bambi and Thumper. So we made it to the movie theater, and I've never seen this before. Look at how long the line is to get in. These people are way over there. I don't know if it's just a line for special screening or something, but the lady told me that we don't have to wait in the line or anything. I'm not really sure what's going on. Fingers crossed that this thing is actually legit and we don't have to wait in that long line and we're just gonna miss the whole movie. But there is a Johnny Rockets here. I think I better have a snack because apparently I eat that. We didn't have to wait in a lineup or anything. We just walked right in, gave them our name, and they even have little name tags for us on the seats. Look at this. This is the movie we're seeing. I'm so excited. I love anything Christmas. So a Christmas movie, yes, I'm there. Okay guys, that movie was fantastic. I'm not gonna give away any spoilers, don't worry. But all I will tell you is that The Rock is Santa's bodyguard, and his mission is to go save Santa, and there's a whole bunch of magic involved. It's not super creepy, if that's what you were thinking, because I was kind of worried about that at first. It's not. And the only other spoiler I will give you, I don't know if I will say it, Krampus is in it. but really, really well done. Not creepy at all. I'm only telling you that because I'm a super scaredy cat and I'm scared of everything, and I liked it. And it's the first time I've actually watched Krampus and not been terrified of it. So definitely watch it. The movie Red 1 is going to be in theaters on November 15th, so go see it.